Time Manufacturing Company has been supplying infrastructure equipment that improves the way people live and work for more than 5 decades. With facilities and locations around the world, we currently employ over 2,000 associates.
Time Manufacturing is a great place to work. We have generations that have worked at this company that are still working here.
Assembly supervisor. I've been with the company for 14 years.
11 years.
5 years.
39 years. I am the big lift assembly supervisor.
I'm the traffic manager, and I've been with Time Manufacturing 40 years.
We make high-reach equipment for telecommunications and electric utility companies, the most advanced truck bodies, and the most effective bridge inspection equipment in the world.
Time Manufacturing, there's a huge opportunity for growth. I've had people that start out basically in the warehouse, end up as a supervisor on the production line. For more information, please apply at versalift.com/careers.
We offer on-the-job training with the support and guidance needed to help you establish a lifelong career. Many of our associates started right out of school and have been here for more than 30 years. Headquartered in the United States, our company has customers and facilities around the world, including manufacturing hubs in Europe, in Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Sweden, and the UK. Time Manufacturing Company has distribution hubs across North and South America and a joint venture with the State Grid Corporation of China.
When you walk around the plant, you'll see people that have been here not only for a year, but for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. I have a couple of employees that are in the 50-year range.
I'm the well pool lead. I've been working here for 22 years. I've been working for the company for 48 years.
We are hiring for positions across the United States, including Iowa, Minnesota, New York, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, and Texas. International openings include China, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, and the UK. Apply at versalift.com/careers. At Time Manufacturing Company, you will build the equipment that helps to bring electricity and the internet to homes and businesses across the nation. No experience necessary. Apply now. Our brands include Versalift, which offers a full line of hydraulic aerial lifts, including 5G bucket trucks that are revolutionizing telecommunications. Ruthmann, with its focus on supporting the wind energy industry. Aspen Aerials, with world-class bridge inspection equipment. And BrandFX, with its lightweight, super strong composite truck bodies. Join the team at Time Manufacturing Company, where we're not just offering you a job, we're offering you a career. Come apply at versalift.com/careers.